You guys, I'm probably going to cry. Can I keep the tissues a little bit closer, please? Because I feel like I'm going to cry. I know I'm going to cry. Thank you. I know this speech, I know. Sister Adrianza said, don't write the speech and speak from your heart. But I didn't want to get chemo brain in the middle of my speech and forget what it is that I wanted to say. So this year, my life, as I knew it, took a drastic turn. My whole life was turned upside down. I'm already getting emotional. For me, it was a journey of unbecoming everything that life threw at me. Kind of like a cleansing. I lost my hair, I lost my eyelashes, I had emotional states. You guys know that I came in here every month and I was emotional. This year I was diagnosed with stage 4 ovarian cancer. So stage 4 is basically when the cancer moves from one organ to another or more organs. When I came to oncology the very first time, I sat there and there was a 70-odd years young lady sitting over there. And I remember setting the goal of ringing this bell and finishing my chemo treatment. If that lady at that age could come to chemo, I made the deal with myself to show up for every single treatment. And I just wanted to say thank you to the sisters and the staff and my doctors for putting up with my anxiety and my crying every session. And my drama. I basically said everything that I wanted to say already. And I think I speak on behalf of every cancer patient here when I say that, you know, when you're diagnosed with cancer, it's like when you're diagnosed with cancer, it's like you have a ticking time bomb. And not everybody gets the opportunity to defuse that bomb. And we've lost people on their cancer journey. We honor them. Because not everybody gets the chance to ring the bell. Guys, I'm so emotional. I really didn't want to cry because I put on eyelashes today. Thank you guys really for all the patience that you have had with me. Thank you to my family. Cancer brought my family closer. To all the people that is following my journey, the motivation and the words of encouragement that you guys give me make me want to fight it. Oh. So I did my scan today, a full body scan. Sorry, I'm making everybody emotional. And I did my full body scan today. And that will determine what the next step forward for me is. And I stand here and I can only pray that I can walk away scot-free and be cancer-free. And always keeping a positive mind and showing people that there is life after cancer. Yeah. My eyelashes start on.
Sometimes you get tears of joy, right? Not always tears because you're unhappy. It's tears of joy.
Now to take photos to show you guys.
Stop is the camera. We can take
In the light.
I don't know, though.
Ik wil nog
I don't know how to work
maar
this.
mijn zoeken eyelash nog
I don't know